Is it going?
Go.
Go.
Spice goes up very nice to you. One shot. Hey, did you flick me off? Look at that booty. Oh, do you have a hole in your butt? No, there's like there's a string on it.
Oh my god. Where?
I think you got it. Yeah, you got it.
You look at my vagina.
There's a car coming.
It's my vagina.
I have a monkey between my legs.
You bastard! What's wrong with you?
That guy hates us now. He was. You bastard!
Up over there!
Oh my god! That's scary! Oh my god!
That guy like ran us over,
Oh
man.
my god!
Ran over my freaking monkey. Are you taping me?
Yeah, yes, he almost ran over our monkey, and that's horrible. And now I have dirt all over my booty.
He was all like freaking shaking his head walking off. Go to hell, you stupid weirdo.
There's a car and we're dancing for it. My leg really hurts. I think I like scratched it up.